Guys, today we have a cordless Panasonic phone. The model number is KXTG2360JXS. The handset part LCD doesn't work, and today we want to show you how to open it and if we can find the problem and solve it. Okay, first of all we have to open the handset and find the problem. As you see in the battery case, there is two screws. You can take the battery out. You have to use a tool like this for opening. Okay guys, you open it. For reaching to the LCD display, we have to open this screw and see the back of the PCB. Be careful to not to break anything or cutting the wires. Okay guys, this is the LCD. For releasing the LCD, you have to open it like this. Be careful to not to tear it because it's so thin. Like this.